When you get a mortgage, they often offer you mortgage insurance. Why should someone maybe consider life insurance like what you offer instead?
Yeah, so obviously the banks push that heavily when people get mortgages, and it's not the devil to do it. It gives you some level of protection. The pitfalls is that mortgage insurance is only on what you owe. So it's not, just because you bought a mortgage at 450 and a couple of years later it's at 425, they're not going to pay you 450 if something happens. In fact, they won't pay you at all. That mortgage insurance is essentially for the bank. It's credit insurance for the bank to know that liability is gone, just happens to be on your life. So people come to us, young people, young families looking to buy protection for that mortgage. And we sell them a term product that would most likely cover that amount. But instead of maybe at 450, maybe we'd sell them something at $500,000 to say, okay, now we got your mortgage covered. What about your funeral? What about replacing some income? The other half of it is that, that $500,000 policy will always be $500,000 while that term is in force. So just because your mortgage is down to 450 or 40,000, you're still going to get paid that $500,000 policy for your family, for the people that are important in your life. Mortgage insurance truly is meant for the bank to protect them. Term insurance is for your loved ones.
And also the premiums for mortgage insurance and an individual term insurance policy are pretty much similar,
yeah,
right?
similar at different ages.
No
We've had
loss.
cases where we've beaten the prices. We've had cases where we're the same. Everyone's a little different. We underwrite up front. So basically, that you've got that policy before you even got it physically. The bank, generally, they underwrite after when something happens. So a lot of people feel uncomfortable about that, thinking, well, maybe I'm a type 2 diabetic. I don't know if I have this insurance. I just signed it. Versus our stuff, I won't give you a policy until you know you're approved and you're paying for it. Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's a great product that a lot of young people do get and look at because they want to know that they're looked after, their interests are looked after, and they do have something for their family. Money will be exchanged with term insurance, a contract between the insurance company and the client. Mortgage insurance is really just between the bank and the lender.